was a good week. It was one more good week. Really, this is the part that make us feel very, positive and optimistic. The truth is that our games and our performance in the games until now is not very aligned with the practice weeks that we have. But as I say every time, we practice really good, and now we need to make sure all of us, each one of us individually and all together collectively as a team, that we will play on the same way tomorrow, with energy, with physicality, with passion, and with a big desire to do the right things in order to win the game.
What do you think about?
I believe that we are one click away from bring all this on the court. Many times you cannot specify exactly what is the problem, but we can all understand that everything has to do with our mind. It's impossible that all this hard work will not pay off at some time. In any case, as I always say, we are not here to find excuses and use excuses. We are here to find solutions. And no matter what, tomorrow we have to play in the way that we practice, and at the end of the day, in the way that the basketball game should be played. With hustle plays, with energy, with pride and desire to win. And we have to show that with every single step that we are doing on the floor. We have to figure out the way and make it happen. He's better. I cannot talk exactly about the percentage, but he's better. He has one full week of practices, and he will be for sure better. Anyway, Nate is a guy that always brings a lot of energy. He plays with passion, and this is very important for us. And our expectations are that he's already feeling better, and he will be able to play more tomorrow, comparing to the game with Reggio. They're a typical Eurocup team. I mean, a team with a deep squad, so it will be a mistake to focus only in one player. They play in very high tempo, in a high rhythm. They have guards. They create many things out of their guards, and mainly getting early on their offense all the way to the rim. And another very important factor of the game is that if not all of them, 5 players, but for sure 4 players attack the offensive rebound every time. So in any case, our personal defense and our team defense in our defense transition and our approach in our defensive rebounding will be the most important for tomorrow. I have to say that they are playing on very similar way on how they played last season with Pau. The results are talking about Coach Cancellieri. He had an amazing season in Greece last year, and I really like their team. Like now, their idea is very clear. We run a lot, we play up tempo, we cross the balls, attacking the offensive rebounds. Yeah, I have to say all the best for Coach Massimo as a coach and as an individual personality as well. I respect him a lot.